In this video, we will go over a problem in which we have to use elimination method to solve this linear system. So as you know, in elimination method, we add or subtract the equations in a way that one of the variable terms get cancelled out, so that we are left with just the other variable, and then we are able to solve for the value of the other variable. Now for that, we need to analyze the coefficients of the terms. Now in these equations, both x terms have the coefficient 2. The y terms have different coefficients. The first y term has a coefficient of 1, or the invisible one, because we don't write 1 as a coefficient. In the second equation, the y term has a coefficient 5. Now since the x terms have the same coefficient, if we subtract these equations, the x terms will cancel each other out. So that's why we should subtract these two equations. We have to subtract the x terms, we'll subtract the y terms, and we'll subtract the number terms. So we get, 2x minus 2x, we get 0. X terms cancel each other out. Now for the y terms, we do y minus 5y. So I can show you the step here, but if you understand this step, you can choose to skip this step. Equals, and now on the right side of the equation, we have to do 9 minus -3. For ease of understanding, I'm showing you these basic steps. Now in the next step, we can subtract the y terms. So here we have to do 1 minus 5, which is equal to -4. So we get -4y equals, and 9 minus -3 is equal to 12. So now as you can see, we have only y term or y variable in this equation. So we can isolate y. Now we have to divide both sides by -4 to isolate y. So the -4 on the left side cancel each other. So we are left with y equals, 12 divided by -4 is equal to -3. So this is the value of y. Now we have to use this value of y to calculate the value of x. And for that, we can use one of these two given equations. So we can choose the one with smaller numbers. So I think the first one will be a better option here, but you can use the second one as well. So we get 2x, and then I sub in y as -3, because that's the y value we got, equals 9. We have to isolate x because we have to solve for x. So for that, we can add 3 to both sides of the equation. So the -3 and the +3 on the left side will cancel each other out. So we are left with 2x equals 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. And now we can isolate x by dividing both sides by 2. So the 2's on the left side cancel each other out. So we are left with x equals 6. So that's the final answer for value of x. So now that we have found the value of x and y, we can write the closing statement to summarize our answer. Now the final answer for this kind of problem can be written as x and y values separately or as an ordered pair. So the solution is x equals 6 and y equals 3, or we can also write it as an ordered pair, or 6 comma -3. So if you find this video useful, please share it, like it, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much and have a nice day. Bye.